New York Attorney General Letitia James issued a sharp response to Idaho's near-total abortion ban that is being challenged in the Supreme Court this week. Idaho enacted a new law, the Defense of Life Act, in 2020 that bans abortions being carried out at all stages of pregnancy, with very few exceptions. The law went into effect in 2022 when the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. The law stipulates that anyone who performs an abortion outside of the limited exceptions is subject to criminal penalties, including up to 5 years in prison. Healthcare professionals could also lose their professional licenses. Commenting on the law on Wednesday, James wrote on X, formerly Twitter, "This isn't complicated. No one should be denied medical treatment during a life-threatening emergency. Idaho's law bans nearly all abortions unless they are required to prevent a mother's death." President Joe Biden's administration sued Idaho in 2022, arguing that its near-total ban could violate a 1986 federal law, the Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act, which requires hospitals receiving funding under the Medicare program to stabilize patients with emergency medical conditions. The Biden administration believes this should include abortion in certain contexts. This week, the Supreme Court is hearing an appeal by Idaho officials to a lower court's ruling that found the EMTALA supersedes the state's ban when the two conflict in rare circumstances. Hospitals that violate EMTALA can face lawsuits, fines, and the loss of Medicare funding. On Wednesday, liberal justices asked Joshua Turner, the lawyer representing Idaho, to explain why the state permits emergency abortions to prevent a woman's death, but not to protect her health. Abortions can be required to address a number of health conditions in pregnant women, including strokes, organ damage, or the loss of the uterus. According to medical experts, liberal Justice Elena Kagan said on Wednesday, within rare cases, there's a significant number where the woman, her life is not in peril, but she's going to lose her reproductive organs. She's going to lose the ability to have children in the future unless an abortion takes place. Meanwhile, conservative justices voiced concerns regarding the Biden administration's legal challenge. Justice Samuel Alito told Elizabeth Prelogar, the U.S. Solicitor General representing the administration, that EMTALA also requires care to stabilize a woman's unborn child. Performing an abortion is antithetical to that duty, he said. In response to the case, former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton said on X, the MAGA Supreme Court majority appears ready to rule that the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness doesn't extend to women with pregnancy complications or who otherwise need abortions.